All right, working with QR codes and Datamatrix codes in Carpathia software. First, we'll put some text on the screen. We select the text, and then we can either select it to be a QR code, or we can select it to be a Datamatrix code. So in either case, if we come in and we want to see what's in this QR code, we have wireframe mode, which here we can do Control W to select wireframe mode, or we can go to Job, select wireframe mode. To get back out of wireframe mode, you can hit Control W again, or go back up to Job, Wireframe, Job, Wireframe. Now to work with this QR code, let's say we want to change the text that's within. Maybe we want to make multiple QR codes. Then we just need a list of information. Let's say we'll use these serial numbers here. Copy these. Go back to our software. We have our QR code selected. We have our one item selected within. Text, text merge. We don't need any prefixes or postfixes, and here are our codes. So again, we can do Control W to see that inside we have all of our information in each one. I'll undo this, back to our original. I can have as many lines as a QR code can handle. There is a limited amount of information that you can store in a QR code, but for the sake of most of what we deal with, we can have 15, 16, 20 lines of information in a QR code without a problem. So here we'll duplicate our line of text a few different times. We select all three, make this a QR code. Then in the QR code, we select all three lines of text. Then we can go back to our information list and we can get all three fields. Copy this and then do a text merge. Now when we look in our wireframe mode, we see that we have all the information flowed into those properly. So this works with QR code or Datamatrix mode. So I can back out of this, select Datamatrix. Once again, select these all three lines. Say OK, and then do text merge. Each one of these now shows that information inside. Another option that I have, if we back out of this, is let's say we want to keep, we just wanted to change one of the lines of text. We can turn off these two where we're just going to change the first line of text. Then we go back to our information and let's say we grab these again. Then we can go back in here to text merge, and populate that. So all of our text merge properties will work the same way. Then if we want to add a second line at a different time, we can add it, or the bottom line. We can continue to change this as we need to or want to. So let's say we want to have one of these as a serial number. Just for the sake of us being able to see it better, I'm going to change this to serial number. Okay, so I'll turn this into a QR code. In this example, I'm going to leave the first two lines as just static text. I could have done a text merge with these, or we can do it after. But the first thing I'm going to do here is a serialization. So I've actually done this wrong. I need to select this one because this is what we're going to do the serialization with. So OK. We go up here to text, serialization, and I can have a prefix of say 121 and a dash, and then we're going to do a quantity of 10, and we'll start at 200, and maybe a postfix of a dash XYZ. Let's do that. XYZ. So we say OK, and then we go wireframe mode. And then we can go in closer to this, and we can see that we started at 200. And then as we do a page down, we're 201, 202, 203, and back to 200. Back to that view, and that view. So we can do serialization, text merge, a combination therein where we can do multiple things, all at once. There are more videos showing how we automate the software and can make all these processes even happen faster.